A Master Electrician license is not considered the same as an electrical engineering license. The Master Electrician license is typically issued by state or local government agencies. Obtaining this license usually requires extensive experience in the field and successfully passing an examination. A Master Electrician license qualifies the holder to supervise electrical installations and repairs. They can design and install electrical systems, but often within specific limits defined by the licensing agency. Moreover, a Master Electrician can teach and supervise apprentices learning the trade. On the other hand, an electrical engineering license is issued by state licensing boards. The requirements for this license include a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering and passing a comprehensive examination. An electrical engineering license qualifies the holder to design, analyze, and evaluate electrical systems. Electrical engineers are also involved in conducting research and development in electrical engineering. They can supervise and manage electrical projects and work independently as consulting engineers. Generally, electrical engineers possess a higher level of education and broader technical expertise compared to master electricians. They are qualified to design complex electrical systems, develop new technologies, and solve intricate engineering problems. Master electricians are highly skilled in the practical aspects of electrical installation, maintenance, and repair. They ensure that electrical systems are installed correctly and operate safely. In summary, the key differences lie in the scope of work, educational requirements, and the complexity of the tasks performed. One focuses on application, the other on design. The Master Electrician license deals with practical application and skilled trade work, while the electrical engineer is grounded in theory.